Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for the 30th of June 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, we will look at how Nifty traded today. Nifty opened higher and traded sideways with a negative bias for most of the trading session before closing in the red once again. The index closed lower by 80.50 points or 0.34% at 23,865.75. The correction seen for Nifty was due to uncertain geopolitical scenario amid renewed tensions in the Middle East, persistent FYI selling, expectations of a weak monsoon and monthly contract expiry. The sectors traded mostly mixed today with IT witnessing the biggest correction as it fell by over 2.5% at close. Chemicals and realty emerged as top performers, with the latter gaining due to fresh land acquisitions by some top companies. Volatility dipped very mildly. Given the mostly range-bound trading, no changes are required to the levels, with supports at 23,840, followed by 23,700, while resistances may be placed at 24,000, followed by 24,130. For tomorrow, once again consolidation within a range may be expected to continue with a mild positive bias to account for a brief recovery after the recent corrections as a decisive support was taken near 23,840. External cues such as US economic data as well as moves seen in crude oil may be expected to be decisive factors in future moves for Nifty. Trend may be expected to remain sideways for now, with trading between levels being the prudent move. The NSE index may be bullish above 24,480, while a break below 23,400 may cause the index to become bearish once again. Next, let us take a view of how Sensex traded. Sensex 2 closed lower by 0.33% or approximately 165 points to end the day at approximately 76,479. Due to a close slightly above the initial support, levels may be kept the same with supports remaining at 76,645 followed by 76,250, while resistances will remain at 77,210 followed by 77,750. Sensex may be expected to witness bullish momentum above 78,835, while bearish momentum may be observed if 75,790 is breached on the downside. Now we will take a look at the moves seen in crude oil. Crude oil prices have been trading mostly sideways with a positive bias till now. No talks have proceeded between US and Iran after the recent conflict, with the meeting slated in Doha being regarding frozen funds as per reports, which has caused a recovery at the energy counter. Volatility for the commodity has dipped once again today. Levels for crude oil may be kept the same today as well, with supports remaining at 6,550, followed by 6,400, while resistances will be at 6,735, followed by 6,935. For today, crude oil prices may be expected to continue its sideways momentum with a slight positive bias as the situation at Hormuz comes into focus once again. The balance between a supply glut and the inability to move said supply has caused the commodity to stabilize at lower but still elevated levels as compared to its fundamentals. Traders may continue trading between levels till further cues. Bullishness may be seen for crude oil if 7,650 is breached on the upside, while a break below 6,140 may cause bearish momentum to intensify. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Kalpataru Projects. International has secured new orders worth approximately 2,957 crore rupees across domestic and international markets. The wins include the company's entry into the West Asia water infrastructure market, strengthening its global order book, and expanding its international presence. Godrej Properties has acquired a 47-acre land parcel along Chennai's Old Mahabalipuram Road to develop a plotted residential project. The development is expected to generate around 500 crore rupees in revenue, while strengthening the company's footprint in the fast-growing South Chennai real estate market. Suzlon Energy shares gained after the company secured a 105-megawatt wind energy order from Sunsure Energy for its newly launched S175 wind turbines. The order reflects strong customer confidence in Suzlon's latest technology and reinforces its leadership in India's rapidly growing renewable energy sector. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted this weekend. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Amol Chape will be conducting a webinar on the topic Use CPR for high probability trades in options trading. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta will conduct a webinar on the topic Option Expiry Special Smart Money Strategies. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.